Imagine this. You're in a room full of people, and no one's listening to you. You speak, but your words just disappear. No respect, no attention, nothing. Now imagine the opposite. You say one sentence, and the entire room stops to listen. What's the difference? It's not about being the loudest or the most charismatic. It's about something much deeper, something the ancient Stoics knew all too well. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to speak so people respect you. And no, it's not what you think. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about manipulation. It's not about tricking people into respecting you. It's about earning it. The Stoics, thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, were masters of communication. They didn't just speak. They spoke with purpose, clarity, and power. And here's the thing, you can do the same. But first, you need to understand why most people fail at this. Why do some people command respect the moment they open their mouths, while others struggle to be heard? That's what we're breaking down today. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll never feel invisible in a conversation again. Here's the problem. Most of us don't know how to communicate in a way that earns respect. We either talk too much, say too little, or say the wrong things entirely. And it's not entirely our fault. We live in a world that's constantly distracting us. Social media, fast-paced conversations, and the pressure to always have something interesting to say. It's exhausting. But the Stoics had a different approach. They believed that the way you speak is a reflection of your character. If your words are scattered, people will see you as scattered. If your words are clear and purposeful, people will see you as someone worth listening to. So, the real challenge isn't just about speaking better. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally commands respect. And that's where we're going to start. 1. The power of silence. Let's start with something counterintuitive: silence. The Stoics believed that silence is one of the most powerful tools in communication. Think about it. When someone is constantly talking, do you respect them more or less? Exactly. Silence isn't just the absence of words, it's a statement. It shows confidence, control, and thoughtfulness. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You don't have to turn this into something. It doesn't have to upset you." In other words, not every thought needs to be spoken. Not every moment needs to be filled with noise. When you learn to embrace silence, you give your words weight. People will start to lean in when you speak, because they know you're not just talking to hear yourself. 2. Speak with purpose, not emotion. Here's a hard truth. When you speak out of emotion, you lose control. The Stoics were big on this. They believed that emotions, anger, frustration, even excitement, can cloud your judgment and make you say things you don't mean. Epictetus put it best: any person capable of angering you becomes your master. Think about that. If someone can push your buttons and make you react, they're in control. But when you speak with purpose, when you choose your words carefully, you take that control back. This doesn't mean you should be emotionless. It means you should be intentional. Before you speak, ask yourself, what's the goal here? What do I want to achieve? And is what I'm about to say aligned with that goal? 3. The art of listening. Here's something most people don't realize. Speaking isn't just about talking, it's about listening. The Stoics believed that to communicate effectively, you need to understand the other person first. Seneca said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." When you truly listen, you show respect. And when you show respect, you earn it in return. But listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding the person behind them. What are they really trying to say? What's driving their words? When you can answer these questions, you'll know exactly how to respond in a way that resonates. 4. Clarity over complexity. Let's be honest, no one respects someone who uses big words just to sound smart. The Stoics were all about simplicity. They believed that the clearer your message, the more powerful it becomes. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." In other words, your words reflect your mind. If your thoughts are clear, your words will be too. So, how do you achieve clarity? Start by cutting out the fluff. Get to the point. Use simple, direct language. And most importantly, know what you're trying to say before you say it. When you do this, people won't just understand you, they'll respect you for making it easy. 5. The role of integrity. Finally, let's talk about integrity. The Stoics believed that your words are only as strong as your actions. If you say one thing and do another, people will see right through you. Seneca said, "A good character is the only guarantee of everlasting, carefree happiness." In other words, if you want people to respect you, you need to be someone worth respecting. This means aligning your words with your values. It means being honest, even when it's hard, and it means standing by what you say. When people see that your words and actions match, they'll trust you, and trust is the foundation of respect. Here's the bottom line: speaking so people respect you isn't about being the loudest or the most charismatic. It's about being the most intentional. It's about choosing your words carefully, listening deeply, and aligning your speech with your values. The Stoics didn't just teach this, they lived it. And if you start applying these principles, you'll see a shift, not just in how people respond to you, but in how you see yourself. Because when you speak with purpose, clarity, and integrity, you don't just earn respect, you become someone worthy of it. So let's recap. First, embrace silence. Second, speak with purpose, not emotion. Third, master the art of listening. Fourth, prioritize clarity over complexity. And finally, let your words reflect your integrity. These aren't just communication tips, they're life principles, and the more you practice them, the more natural they'll become. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more where this came from.